The Samsung Interactive Display is designed for collaboration. With a Samsung Screen Share app, teachers and students can mirror their individual devices to the board. Up to 9 devices can be shared simultaneously to the board. Plus, the board is compatible with iOS, Mac, Windows, Android, and Chrome OS. To start mirroring or broadcasting, first select the Samsung Screen Share app on the board. An access code will then appear on the screen. On your Android or iOS device, download the Screen Share app and enter the access code you see on the board. Once inside the app, you'll press Start. Accept the connection request that appears on the board. Now, you can share your lesson as you move around the room. When multiple devices are connected, you will see the number of connected devices within the Devices tab. Teachers can also broadcast the interactive display's content onto individual student devices. On a tablet, computer, or phone, go into the Samsung Screen Share app, then select Desktop Sync within the app. Finally, on the board, accept the connection request that appears. Now, you can broadcast your lesson to students while they follow along. The bidirectional casting tool enables an engaging and dynamic classroom environment.